Okay, beta. Now next question. Question is or topic. Topic is the differences between the comparative government and comparative politics. How many people make use of the concept of comparative government and comparative politics interchangeably and do not make any difference between the two. But these are two different subjects. According to G.K. Robert, how often used example as the title of the an exam academic course or textbook. Interchangeable with the term comparative politics, comparative government may be usefully distinguished as the study of the state and their government institution and process on the comparative basis. The difference between the comparative government and comparative politics are written below. First difference, the subject of comparative government is older. Then the subject of comparative politics is new. Government concept older, but politics concept is new. The subject of comparative government is almost as old as the subject of political science. Aristotle, who is also accepted as the father of political science, drew certain conclusions after making the comparative study of 158 constitution. But in comparison to it, the subject of comparative politics is the result of a behavioral revolution, which came in the study of the political science in the beginning century of 20th century, and in these days it is very popular. Next difference regarding the nature of the study. The study of the students of the comparative government lay more emphasis on the study of a normative aspect of politics. Normative aspect means ideal theories. After making the study of the different governments, their purpose is to lay down certain norms which may prove useful in improving the political environment. But in comparison to it, the student of comparative politics lay more emphasis on the study of actuality, not only certain norms, but lay emphasis on the actuality, reality. They are more concerned with the actual political activities which take place in our daily life. Next difference with the regard to tool of study or method of the studies. Descriptive method is the used for the study of the various government institution. Example, when state is origin, when it is developed, its steps, types, components, organs. It means it's so large descriptive. Descriptive method is used for the study of the various governmental institutions and their functions were for the study of the comparative politics. Material is collected through the different methods. Tables are made according to need and facts are analyzed through scientific methods so that trustworthy result could be drawn. Next difference with the regard to the relation to the values. The student of comparative government start their study on the basis of certain values. They start with the assumption that in democracy the supreme power is vested with the people or the people are the source of the power and it is used for the welfare of all. But they say they believe in the democracy and they assume that power always remain in the people's hands and it will be used and it is used for the welfare of the people. But in comparison to it, the study of comparative politics is a value free study and its students are more interested in the drawing certain conclusion after making the study of actuality. Next difference in their scope. There is a wide difference between the scope of comparative government and comparative politics. In comparative government, The emphasis is laid on the study of the organization of the various formal institutions and their functions. Organization and function in comparative. But where in the comparative politics, apart from the study of the organization and function of the formal structure, emphasis is also laid on the study of all those formal and informal factors which influence the working of different institutions. Apart from this, in the study of comparative politics, emphasis is also laid not only on the study of the government of the European countries, it is also include the study of the political system of Latin American, African and Asian countries. It is because of this reason that the comparative politics is also known as the politics of the developing areas. Next difference. Difference about the study of infrastructure. In the study of the comparative government, no attention is paid towards the study of the infrastructure, such as political parties, pressure groups, caste, lingual, and religion groups, etc. Where in the study of the comparative politics, special emphasis is laid on the study of all these infrastructure because they largely influence the working of various structure and these have become central to present day politics. Now, next difference, the study of comparative government is explanatory. They explain everything, where the study of comparative politics is only analytical. In the study of comparative government, the explanatory study is made of the government institution of the different countries, where the study of the comparative politics is more analytically. In it, the comparative analytically of different political system is made and effort is made to draw impartial conclusion. Next difference with regard to usefulness. In comparison to the study of comparative government, the study of comparative politics is more useful. In comparative government, no attention is paid towards the study of those subjects which provide dynamics to it. It is because of this reason the modern thinker of political science has called head of political science to the traditional viewpoint. But in comparison to it, the modern viewpoint is more useful because it makes the study of all those formal and informal factors which directly or indirectly influence the working of the political institution. Now, next difference regarding purpose. The study of every subject has a particular objective, and objective of the study of comparative politics is very clear and fixed, where the study of comparative government has no fixed purpose. The purpose of the study of the comparative politics is to make comparative study of the different political system and to build certain theories and to evaluate the same. In the case the students of the comparative politics do not do this, then their study is incomplete. But in comparison to it, the study students of the comparative government does not do this. He confines his study up to the study of the different forms of the government and up to the study of the institution. For example, the study of the American president, the study of the British Parliament, etc., is the subject matter of the study of comparative government. Conclusion. No doubt, there are wide difference between the comparative government and politics, yet there is a close relationship between the two. In fact, the comparative government provides the sound basis to the comparative politics. And the comparative politics has developed the subject still further, has made its study more empirical, analytical, and scientific. So, in spite of the difference between the two, both are closely related to one another and can never be separated. Thanks.